In the wrong hands, powerful tools can be used for malicious purposes. These tools, often designed for security testing, can be repurposed by those with ill intentions to wreak havoc. Zphisher, an open-source phishing toolkit available on Kali Linux, is one such tool. It is widely accessible and can be downloaded by anyone with basic knowledge of the platform. Initially developed as an upgrade to Shellfish, Zphisher has become a favorite among hackers due to its user-friendly interface and extensive capabilities. Its ease of use means that even those new to hacking can quickly learn to deploy it effectively. Don't be fooled by its seemingly innocuous nature. Zphisher is a potent weapon in the arsenal of cybercriminals. It can be used to create highly convincing phishing emails that can deceive even the most vigilant users. Zphisher simplifies the process of creating and launching phishing attacks. With just a few clicks, a hacker can set up a phishing campaign that targets multiple victims simultaneously. It provides a range of pre-built templates that mimic popular websites and platforms. These templates are designed to look almost identical to the real sites, making it difficult for users to distinguish between the fake and the genuine. From social media giants like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to online banking portals and email providers, Zphisher has a template for almost every occasion. This versatility makes it a go-to tool for many cybercriminals. This makes it remarkably easy for even novice attackers to craft convincing phishing pages that can fool unsuspecting victims. The simplicity of the tool lowers the barrier to entry for cybercrime. But Zphisher is more than just a collection of templates. It offers advanced features that allow hackers to customize their attacks and improve their effectiveness. It also includes features that help hackers evade detection and increase their chances of success. These anti-detection mechanisms are crucial for avoiding security measures and staying under the radar. From URL shortening and customizable landing pages to tools for capturing and logging stolen credentials, Zphisher provides a comprehensive suite of tools for conducting effective phishing campaigns. This makes it a formidable tool in the hands of those who know how to use it. For those familiar with the Kali Linux environment, installing Zphisher is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Open the terminal. The terminal is your command line interface to interact with Kali Linux. Step 2. Clone the Zphisher repository. Enter the following command to download Zphisher from its GitHub repository. Step 3. Navigate to the Zphisher directory. Once the download is complete, use the following command to navigate to the Zphisher directory. Step 4. Run the installation script. Finally, execute the installation script by entering. The script will handle the installation process, installing any required dependencies and setting up Zphisher on your system. You'll be prompted to grant certain permissions during the installation. Once complete, you'll have Zphisher at your disposal, ready to create and launch phishing campaigns. With Zphisher installed, creating a phishing campaign is deceptively simple. This tool is designed to streamline the process, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The intuitive interface guides attackers through the process, making it accessible even to those with limited technical skills. The step-by-step instructions ensure that even beginners can craft convincing phishing campaigns. Here's a simplified overview of how an attacker might use Zphisher. Step 1. Choosing a template. This is the foundation of the phishing campaign. Zphisher offers a variety of phishing templates mimicking popular websites. These templates are designed to look identical to the real sites, increasing the chances of deceiving the victim. Attackers select a template based on their target, whether it's a social media platform, online banking portal, or email provider. The choice of template is crucial for the success of the campaign. Step 2. Customizing the landing page. This step involves tweaking the template to make it more convincing. While the templates provide a convincing starting point, attackers often customize the landing page to make it even more believable. This customization can include changing text, images, and other elements. They might add logos, slogans, or other branding elements to create an authentic look and feel. The more realistic the page, the higher the chances of success. Step 3. Setting up redirection. This is a critical step in the phishing process. Once a victim enters their credentials on the fake login page, Zphisher can be configured to redirect them to a legitimate website. This redirection helps to maintain the illusion of authenticity. This helps to maintain the illusion and prevent the victim from immediately realizing they've been compromised. The seamless transition keeps the victim unaware of the breach. Step 4. Generating the phishing link. This link is the bait that lures the victim into the trap. Zphisher generates a unique phishing link that attackers can distribute through various channels, such as email, social media messages, or malicious websites. The distribution method depends on the target audience. This link directs victims to the carefully crafted fake login page. Step 5. Capturing credentials. This is the final and most crucial step. When the victim enters their credentials on the fake page, Zphisher captures this information and stores it for the attacker to retrieve. The stolen data can then be used for various malicious purposes. The attacker now has access to the victim's account and can wreak havoc. This could include stealing money, sensitive information, or even using the account for further attacks. The threat of phishing is constantly evolving, adapting to new technologies and user behaviors. Attackers are becoming more sophisticated in their tactics, and Zphisher continues to be updated with new features and capabilities, making it a formidable tool in the hands of cybercriminals. Recent enhancements to Zphisher have focused on two key areas: increased anonymity and new templates and exploits, which have significantly boosted its effectiveness. Zphisher now incorporates advanced techniques to help attackers mask their tracks and evade detection, making it harder for authorities to trace the source of the attack. This includes features like proxy support and URL obfuscation, which complicate efforts to trace the attack back to its origin, providing an extra layer of security for the attacker. Zphisher's developers are constantly adding new templates to its repertoire, ensuring it remains relevant and effective in targeting a wide range of victims. These templates target emerging platforms and services, adapting to the latest trends in social media and online communication. They also exploit new vulnerabilities discovered in popular websites, making it easier to deceive users and gain unauthorized access to sensitive information. One alarming trend is the rise of social media phishing, which has become increasingly prevalent in recent years. Attackers are increasingly using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to spread their nets, reaching a vast number of potential victims. They create fake profiles, impersonate real users, and use social engineering tactics to trick victims into clicking on malicious links or revealing personal information. These fake profiles are often very convincing, making it difficult for users to distinguish between legitimate and fraudulent accounts. By leveraging social engineering tactics, attackers can manipulate victims into clicking on malicious links or divulging sensitive information, often without the victim realizing they have been compromised. Zphisher's social media templates and its ability to generate shortened URLs that evade detection make it a powerful tool for conducting these types of attacks, posing a significant threat to online security. While the threat of phishing is real and constantly evolving, there are practical steps you can take to protect yourself. First, be wary of suspicious emails and messages. Exercise caution with unsolicited emails or messages, especially those urging you to take immediate action. Pay close attention to the sender's address, any grammatical errors, and the overall tone of the message. Second, verify URLs before clicking. Hover over links before clicking to verify the destination URL. Look for misspellings, unfamiliar domains, or shortened URLs that obscure the true destination. Third, enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Even if your password is compromised, attackers will need additional verification to gain access. Fourth, use strong and unique passwords. Avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Create strong, unique passwords that are difficult to guess, and consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Lastly, keep your software updated. Regularly update your operating system, web browser, and security software to patch any known vulnerabilities that attackers could exploit. Combating phishing is not just the responsibility of individuals, it requires a collective effort. Tech companies, security researchers, and law enforcement agencies all play a crucial role in developing new technologies, raising awareness, and bringing cybercriminals to justice. Tech companies are constantly working to improve their security measures, such as implementing spam filters, developing phishing detection algorithms, and educating users about online threats. Security researchers play a vital role in identifying new phishing techniques, vulnerabilities, and attack vectors, sharing this information with the broader community to help mitigate risks. Law enforcement agencies are stepping up their efforts to track down and prosecute cybercriminals involved in phishing scams, but their task is often challenging due to the anonymous nature of the internet. The digital world is a double-edged sword. It offers unprecedented opportunities but also exposes us to new threats. Phishing is one such threat that is constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated. By understanding how phishing works, recognizing the signs of a phishing attack, and following practical security measures, we can significantly reduce our risk of becoming victims. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe in the digital world. Remember, knowledge is power. Share this information with your friends, family, and colleagues to help create a safer online environment for everyone.